Okay, now we are gonna this video we're gonna talk about PowerShell. You know, it a scripting language built into the operating system. Windows 10. So what you do here, you type power. The PowerShell comes up, and then you just run as an administrator. And see, it comes like this. And if you let me make this bigger. So okay. So what we are going to do, we're going to talk about right now at this video about the PowerShell, but there's some command that we are going to talk about here. See, we are going to make some users. So what you do, you use this order. We say new local user, and then you hyphen name of it. You gotta say the name of that. What is that? The name is user 1. User 1. And then you have to write the description. What is this user? Who is this this user? Description. Say a student. And quotation, we put it in the quotation. I don't know, maybe I should, it won't be, I think you can see now what is say name, user 1, description, student, and then we can say no password. No password. Okay, and then you enter. See, it created the username 1 enabled through description student. If you want to make another user that like user 2, enter, you see that user 2 was created too. Okay, but this might not be very visible. I don't know really much about how to. Maybe later on I will change the color to see. This is name, user 2, description, student, no password. Okay, no password. Now you want to see, let's make another, another user. User 3. Enter. Now we have 3 users. Now if you want to see the total, what users we have in this one, you say get local user. Get local user. And then what it shows this user that we created, number 1, number 2, number 3, a student, a student here. You have administrator, building account for administrating the computer, and we have guest also. Okay, now if you want to, let's make another user. Okay, if you push this up and down arrow, it will bring back to that last command that you typed in. Okay, this time new local user, you go there and make another one, user number 4. And push enter, and you see that user number 4. And then you want to see how many get local user. There are 4 users in there. Okay. Now let's let's show you here that there is a command remove. We want to remove user number 4. Okay, what we say remove local user and the name of the user. So the name here is name local user. What is that? User number 4. User 4. Now you enter. Now if you want to see what the users, you see user number 4 is not there anymore. Okay, this is about users. Now if you want to create group, you want to create a group here. Okay. You write new local group, new local group. Then you have to say the name of the group. Okay, hyphen name, and then for example in a quotation you say security and then you have to the name of it, like let's write security 1. Security group. There is a group that's called security. Okay. Now you have to write the description. Say description hyphen this script description. You say they are You say like, I don't know, the description is security. Oh, security department, for example. Okay. Oh, it has to be at the quotation mark. Then you enter. See, a security one is created. The description is security department, for example. Now we can, if we want to add a group member. So let's create another one. Okay. Security 2. Okay. Security 2. Enter. See, the security 2 created. Okay, let's have these two for now. And then if you want to see how many group you created, you say get. Local group member. Local group member. But you have to say the name of the group. You know, as oh, the name. You have to write the name too. Okay. Group. Okay. With Control C, we have to write this one and the name of the group. The group. And we put this one under quotation. Oh, I forgot to put this here hyphen behind it. Okay. And if you want to add user, okay, user to this group, security one, you want to add users to it. Okay, what you do, you say add local. There are some people that there are some people that they are the member of this group. Say add local group, local group, member. And then you say what group? So they say group, which is security group. Okay, and then the name of the member. You say member, user, user 1, enter. Okay, now we got the, in security 1 we have one user. Let's put another, add another user. Okay, you say user 2, enter. Okay, now you want to get the local group member. At that time we didn't have any user there, it didn't show. Oh. Let's see. We got to use this. Get local, and the name of the. You see that if you see that there are two user in there, user number 1 and user number 2. So we made a group and put some users in there. Okay. So you learn how to create and create local user, and then you can add local user member, group member. So you have to go through this. Let's talk about some things like you see, we learned to see that we change directory to, you have to write dir, what is in there, or ooh, that's a lot of file in there. Okay, a Control C. Let's get back to just PowerShell, regular PowerShell, no, and let's resize this one. Okay, See, there are some of the commands that we didn't talk about it yet. For let's make this one. And let's make it bigger. Okay, I made it bigger a little bit to you see that what we're doing here. Like here we write. Remember for the operating system we worked before Linux, like we used to write ls. Okay, ls works here the same. Means directory. Okay, and you see that there are some of the files in there. The file start with D, directory, and read only, and this is the files. The files. These are the directory D, and the hyphen is the file. Okay. Now we change it. We say we change it to documents. Documents. Okay, it became to documents. And then you write a dir directory. Okay, it showed that the same thing as like ls. It showed these are the files in there. And remember, we had we made a directory Bob, so we can change directory to Bob. See, it went to Bob, and then dir. And you see that Bob1, there's another directory, and this is a file in there, Bob file 1. And we talked about it before. Okay. Now, let me show you something here. There is a, okay, let's change directory to Bob. Bob1. Okay, change directory to Bob1. And then in Bob1, do we have something in Bob1 directory? No, we don't have anything in there. But in Bob, we had Bob1 and this file. Okay, now what I'm going to show you, there's a command there that you should learn. We use this symbol, and it comes back to home directory users and this. Okay, we are going to go back to this file. Hey, we cannot use change directory to document, change directory to Bob, change. These are directories. Okay, we can set location. Set location, and then you write all these C backslash here users, exactly like this, users, and then backslash 082, and then backslash Bob. Okay, let's see if we can do that. Oh, okay, I'm sorry, it doesn't, let me write. See, we used here documents. If you remember that here documents. Before this one was documents, okay? So we go there, backslash, no, documents, and then Bob, okay? Now, or let's write this one too here, Bob1. Oh, I always make a mistake somewhere. See, 12082. I erased that here. 82. Now it should work. Ha. 12082. See users 12082 documents, okay, and then Bob. No. I made a mistake again. This is Bob. It was first Bob, and then Bob1. Okay, what it goes, we go all the to set location. It is now we are in Bob1 directory. Okay, and if you go back one directory, you see Bob, and if you dir, it shows that there is one directory and one file in there. So this is set location. This is one of the. See also, if you want to write here, like a few things we didn't talk about. We say RD, the name of the directory, and then if you get dir, you don't see the Bob1 anymore. Now there is a few other things that don't have much time. Okay, this has to be on a administrator mode. Okay. This is administrator mode, and then if you write version here, this is administrator. Let me see where I make a mistake. Let's see. Here it shows you a lot of information about your system. See, everything you need to know about the processor, about the memory, the time